right, guys, listen. This right here is a 60-watt cob light. Look at the size of this thing. I mean, it's hard to give you an idea of the size, but that's my whole hand. It's like palm of the hand for a 60-watt light. Now, I'm not gonna blind you too much, but I can crank this baby up and it can get bright. I mean, it gets really, really bright. It's kind of insane. Right now, I don't wanna hurt my camera, but this gets insane. Now, what we're doing right now is we're running it off of this battery pack, but you can also run it off of a V-mount battery. So Neewer has V-mount batteries that you can connect it to. And with the little balloon modifier that you can add to it, you're talking about people that have a small studio space, but you want good quality lighting like Lou. We saw this. I'm gonna get a B-roll and show you what the balloon modifier looks like. You no longer need a gigantic light with a gigantic modifier in order to look super dope in your studio. So then, if you do need it portable, how heavy is that?
Oh my gosh, it's way lighter than I thought.
Yeah, it doesn't weigh much. So if you need something that you could take on the road, this would be the guy, right?
Look, got a fan?
Got a fan?
I'm a fan.
She's a big fan. But this is crazy. 60 watts in the palm of your hand. 129 bucks. Like 129 bucks, fam. You cannot go wrong with that.
Take my money.
60 watts in the palm of your hand. Look at that. So, you know, when I just redid the Ecamm office, I put Neewer lights all inside of the studio. I have a couple different rig ups. And I thought I had the newest 60 until I saw this baby. This thing is clutch. So I'm gonna go show you what the balloon modifier looks like, but go and check out Neewer.com and look at this. I didn't even get the model number. I was so jazzed up. What is it called? I don't have glasses on, don't ask me. Just look for the little gray one. I'll put it down in the description below. This is clutch. Okay, let's blind everybody again.
Bye.
Guys, I just got an important update from my homies here at Neewer. This is a regular bicolor one. They have a RGB one. So if you need color, you can get a color version as well. I'm gonna go get you a little B-roll of it so you can see it in action. But 60 watts and RGB, this little bitty tiny thing right here. Look, you can make a disco in your house and you can be like, Live from the Neewer booth here at NAB, you got Creators Unstuck with Dr. Marielou.
And Caleb.
And Caleb. What up, Joe?
What if I told you that this is a light? Is it a light? It is a light, but our microphone is not on. It fell asleep. What if I told you that this little thing is a light? Doc, come on. Yes. See? How nice is that? How nice is that? This is a inflatable. Now we need two if we're going to play that game. This is an inflatable LED light from Neewer. You guys know this brand. We use it for everything. It's so great. This is a good to travel with light. It is battery operated. So right now we're like completely wireless. You can inflate it yourself right here, rechargeable, and then it has magnets.
Yeah, you can magnet the things right here on the back, and then you have your illumination control. So if I need to dim it, I can just press the button and bring it down, or you can bring it back up, and it doesn't weigh anything. Like, woo!
No kidding, look. Just like this. Oh my gosh.
This is good
and we
content.
look so good.
Everything is content. Everything is content. So this is newer than their other products.
Oh.
But make sure you get the inflatable LED stick. We're going to give you links down below. This thing is clutch. Right, Caleb?
Yeah, Caleb.
This is our homie Caleb.
We found Caleb at the conference.
Right here.
Bye, Caleb.
I need to know everything. Who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.